Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin, and I have some good news. Before I get into the video about, I'm going to give you the 4 reasons why you are not manifesting anything, okay? I'm going to help you out here and give you guys an update. Listen, these videos are so unprofessional, and I'm sorry. I'm using my iPhone here, and I know what you're thinking in the comments below. Why doesn't this rich guy have a studio or something? So, okay, fine. I just got myself a penthouse. I'm going to be moving there in about 30 days. And I'm spending about $50,000 to put out a new studio for YouTube and Instagram. So now, come here. All my videos are going to be professional. Okay. They're going to be nice. No more naked videos. I'm sorry. Sorry, ladies. No more naked videos. I'm going to have shirts on, and I'm going to be speaking in a very professional way. So smash the like button if you want me guys to upgrade this, and I'm going to do it for you. But listen, in this video here, I want to explain to you, because in my course, the Genie Script here, people are asking this question. Why, Wesley, why am I not manifesting anything? I'm doing the right thing. Listening to your content here. I've watched The Secret a bunch of times, but I'm still not manifesting anything. In actuality, I explain this in detail in my course. And I'll leave a link to that under this video here. But listen, it's so easy, okay? It's so simple, and it's only 4 reasons, okay? And I want you to write this down. Okay. Hey, guys, listen, I want you to write this down. There's 4 reasons why your manifestation hasn't shown up yet. How many of you desire something, but it's not taking place? I want you to leave a comment below. Say, yes, that's me, Wes. How many of you are reading the books, watching the videos, meditating, praying to God, chakra this, you have your little special little pendant on your neck, and you still are not manifesting anything, okay? Go ahead, comment below here. All right, so King West here, I'm going to show you very quickly. I'm going to give you the 4 main reasons. And the reason why I think I'm qualified, listen, I don't have a degree. I don't have any special education at all. But I've helped a couple of 100,000 people to do this. And I've also did it for myself, okay? I wasn't always this fabulous guy in his bedroom making videos on his iPhone. No. Oh, no. I've learned how to really take an idea, okay, like a thought, like you, a desire, and make it real. And I keep doing it over and over again, okay? And life is phenomenal. But let me give you those 4 reasons now. If you're ready to go, smash the like button. Hey, come here. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. Let's get it. Okay, look, number 1, you don't, and listen, whenever someone that is succeeding better than yourself, or maybe they're living the lifestyle that you want to live, write it down, okay? A mistake I made in my 20s, write it down, okay? Write down everything that you hear the person say, because you might hear something or see something that'll give you a breakthrough, okay? All right, so first, and it's very simple. You don't feel truly aligned. That's number 1. Many people, it's the truth, you just don't feel aligned with the goal and desire. As a matter of fact, in the comment section below, put your desires. And most of you, I promise you, your desires is a car, a better life, right? You want to leave your 9-to-5 job. You want to start a business. You want to make $1 million. That's your desire, right? And that's cool. But the problem with a lot of you, okay, including yourself, is you don't feel aligned. That means that you don't feel that you actually can have it. Does that make sense? Okay. And many of you, you don't feel that you can actually obtain it. Okay. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you why you don't feel that way. That's number 1. Number 2 is you're not capitulating to the formula. Okay. For example, if you buy my course or buy any course that teaches you how to manifest, at the same time you're going through the course, right, and you're getting the information, you're not capitulating to the formula, which means is you're not surrendering. At the same time that you want to believe, you say, well, it's taken too long. It's been 2 weeks. Well, I've been doing it for a month. I've been meditating for a month. I've been visualizing for a month. Nothing is happening, right? So, which means is you're not trusting the process. So, at the same time, you have a desire for something, it's another part of you that doesn't believe that it will take place. Comment below. Give me an amen. That's you. That's you, by the way, big head. Okay. Number 3 here. Listen. You are not clear. This is a big one, okay? You are not clear with what you want, okay? Let me say it again. Listen to the black guy here, okay? The rich black guy. You are not clear with what you want, which means this. Many of you want millions of dollars. Many of you want successful businesses. I get it. You want to drive a Rolls Royce. You want to fly around the world first class. You want to take care of your family, right? I get it. But the problem with you is you're not detailed. See, everybody that wants money, I want you to comment the word "I want money" below. Do it for a second. If that's one of your desires, I want you to comment right now, "I want money." Now, the problem with that is this. Listen, if you want money, well, I just give you $1. Okay? Listen. You have to be very specific with what you want. Like detailed. You can't just say, well, I want a Rolls Royce. No. I mean, it's different types of Rolls Royces, right? You just can't say I want a Rolls Royce. You have the Cullinan. You have the Ghost. You have the Wraith, right? Does that make sense, everyone? Right? You have to be very clear. If you're not clear, well, you'll never manifest anything. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. You won't manifest. Listen. What I spend my time doing before I got really good at this, I used to write down every single day what I desired. And I just didn't write, well, I want to make $1 million. What I wrote was, well, I want to make $5,000 every single day with ease, okay? True story. I wrote that. 5,000, not $1 million, 5,000 every single day with ease, with not a lot of effort, okay? That's more clear. Does that make sense? Smash the like button here. Number 4, and this is powerful here, okay? You are not picturing what you want in the present moment, okay? This is the visualization process. And I explained this in my course below here. Many of you, listen, I get that you want all this stuff. You want all these things and you want all this incredible life. But your issue is this. You're not picturing what you want in the present. You're like this. This is you. Smash the like button if this is you. Well, I want this to happen. I want a profitable business. I want $1 million. I want a Maserati. I want a Rolls Royce. I want a Bentley. I want a Lamborghini. I want fancy clothes, right? I want Cartier bracelets here. I want a Chanel purse. I want to shop in Paris. I want to... See, your problem is to use the words "I want." Listen, this is many people going to get so much value right now from this video. Many of you, when you say "I want something," then that's a presupposition that you don't have it. Okay. Now, see, in my course, I break down the brain deep. Your brain, get this please, your brain does not understand when you speak about the past or the future. Everything that you're thinking, even right now while you're watching the video, is happening in the present moment. So right now, if you felt bad, if you feel pain because you're broke, you have no money, and you're tired of working your 9-to-5 job, even though you're in the bed right now or on your couch right now, or just hanging out watching Wesley Virgin, you will feel those emotions right now. Does that make sense? You'll feel pain about your life. But if I talk about prosperity, if I talk about that you're going to make a bunch of money, as a matter of fact, that you're a millionaire right now, that you're prosperous, then you can feel good about that. I want you to notice something about the brain, and this is powerful, and this is why so many people are getting results now in my course. It's because I teach them to visualize what they want in the present. Okay? Which means is you don't say "I want it." You say "I am grateful now that I have it." Try it out. As a matter of fact, I want you to do it right now. I want you to comment below. I want you to say, I am grateful right now that I earn $100,000 per month. I'm grateful right now that I'm able to retire my parents. I'm grateful right now that I'm putting my children in better schools. I'm grateful right now that my business is earning $10,000 per month. I'm grateful right now I am flying first class to different islands around the world. I'm grateful right now that I can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in Paris, in Milan, around the world. Does that make sense? Are you guys getting it? Smash the like button if you're getting this right now. Share it with a friend. Listen. And see, number 4 is big. Many of you don't understand. At the same time you want something, you're picturing not having it, like every day when you're going through the process. That's why it's so important to capitulate to the course, if you buy a course, or to the mentor. You have to capitulate to the mentor, which means you have to surrender. It's called the know-nothing state, okay? The know-nothing state is like the state of a child. The child comes into the classroom knowing nothing. That means all his perceived thoughts, beliefs, goes out the door. It's the same that happens when people enter my course. I ask them to trust me, to believe in me, right? Because if you don't do that, it won't work. Does that make sense? So when you state in the present that I'm grateful now that I have $5 million in my bank account, it's not like you're like tomorrow morning you're going to have $5 million. But when you say I'm grateful that I have it now, your brain feels that you have it now, okay? Those thoughts, you start to create a thought that you already have it. Then what happens is this, and this is powerful. Your actions, they start to align with the thoughts. See, this is why in the beginning I said most of you don't feel aligned, okay? You have to feel aligned. You have to be on the same frequency as the thing that you want, as a vibration. Does that make sense? Okay? If you want something real big, well, you have to vibrate higher, which means is if I want a mansion, okay? Say if I want a beautiful mansion with 5 rooms, 5 bathrooms, whatever. The level of excitement that I would feel if I could achieve that, you have to feel that excitement right now. Does that make sense? If I was going to give you $1, you wouldn't be too excited, would you? Right? And I say, hey, I'm going to give everybody money. I'm going to give everybody $1 tonight. You're like, But if I say, hey, tonight I'm going to give everybody $10,000 if you smash the like button. Everybody will smash the like button, right? You'll be, yes, Wesley's going to bless us with money. Yes. Listen, that same excitement, okay, about the $10,000, how you felt, is the frequency. That's how you align with the goal. Does that make sense? That's why smaller goals, well, you don't need that much excitement. For $1, that's nothing. 10,000, a little more. $100,000, how would you act? How would you feel? The key is this. You got to feel that way right now for a very short period of time. Okay? And that's it. That's the 4 reasons why your manifestations are not happening, the reason why they're not showing up yet. Listen to the video again, watch it again, and watch it again. Remember, first one, you don't feel the line, okay? You have to align with the goal. Whatever the desire is, how you feel, you must align with the goal. You must capitulate to the formula, which means you got to surrender to the process. Listen, if you buy my course right now, you got to surrender to everything that I tell you. Yeah, every single thing that I share with you, you got to surrender and say, hey, this is going to happen and I'm trusting Wes. That's it. You have to do that. It don't have to be me. It can be anybody, okay? But if you buy somebody's course, if you ask them to be your mentor, you got to capitulate. Because if you don't, you're still going to have these negative, cynical thoughts that it may not happen. So you can't believe in me and at the same time worry that it won't take place, okay? Listen, and 3, many of you are not clear on what you want. Listen, clarity is power. When it comes to the game of manifesting things, clarity is power. When I bought my place in Miami, I knew exactly what I wanted. I wanted my place in the Porsche Tower building. I wanted to be 3,500 square foot. I wanted to have the beach view. I wanted a jacuzzi right there on my balcony. I wanted to have my chef and my maid. I was very clear, and I got it. And number 4, you're not picturing what you want in the present. Your mind only understands the present moment. Okay? That's all it is, the present moment. So instead of saying I want, say I am or I have right now. Love you guys so much. If you want the entire course, it's always available. But honestly, this video is enough for you to get started. But the course, if you want the Genie Script course, 10 minutes a day, in the link below. Much love. Let's go. No, I'm sorry. I got to do that right. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated, let go. Yeah.